Now you lot are in here because of your atrocious behaviour. If you want to go on the Year 7 snow camp next week, you better come up with one reason why I should let you, and it better be good.
I knew we shouldn't have set the toilets on fire.
Yeah, now we can't go to ski camp. You want to go downtown and get a milkshake?
Yeah, before Mrs. Cranky Pants comes back.
Yeah. Man, that was easier than I thought.
Yeah!
I want to go get some milkshakes?
Yeah, let's go get some milkshakes. Dude, we gotta go check that out.
This is the girl.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, damn, it's not a girl. It's yours.
Fun. He's still alive. Barely.
Man, what a shame.
I know. It feels so sad. We've got to do something. We've got to get to the bottom of these murders. Something weird's going on in town. Agreed.
Yeah.
Agreed.
Surgery? Where is he going?
Wait, what?
What's up?
There's been a chainsaw guy decapitating half the town!
He's an actor. It's all right. You didn't know we're making a reality horror TV movie uptown.
What?
We've got secret cameras everywhere.
Oh.
Can you see them?
Oh. No.
You guys did an amazing job. We thought you were all part of it. Where have you been? Didn't you know?
Oh, we've been attention all the time.
Oh, that explains it. Wow. Well done. Ace job.
That wasn't acting though. That was running terrified from the chainsaw dude.
He does look a little bit scary.
You know what?
He's a good actor.
This makes sense. Can we borrow him for like a minute or two?
You want to borrow the chainsaw guy?
Yeah.
Bring him back in one piece, okay?
Okay. I can't say the same for us.
All right.
Come on.
Just close the door. We've got lots of filming to do.
Okay. Got ya.
So, have you got any good reasons?